Part 1. A parametric curve crosses itself, and we want the two tangent lines at the crossing point. We are given the parametric equations x of t equals t minus 3 minus 6 cosine t, and y of t equals tangent t times the quantity 1 minus 2 cosine t. The problem statement says the curve crosses itself at some point p, and that the tangent lines at p are y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 3. Let's see that visually. We will draw the curve on an xy coordinate plane, then place the two lines y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 3, which meet at the point p equals open parenthesis 0, 3 close parenthesis. At a self-intersection, two different parameter values hit the same physical point. We will highlight 2 points on the curve, one from each side of the crossing, both very close to p. Here is a point with t1, and here is another point with t2. Notice both sit essentially at p. What are the tangent lines at p? For a parametric curve, the slope at a parameter t is the derivative y prime over x prime. That is, dy by dx equals the quantity y prime of t divided by x prime of t, where x prime equals 1 plus 6 sine t, and y prime equals secant squared t times the quantity 1 minus 2 cosine t, plus tangent t times 2 sine t. The given result states the two tangent lines at p are y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 3, which intersect at the point p equals 0, 3. Visually, we can see one branch approaches p with slope 1 and the other with slope negative 1. These exactly match the two lines shown. So the tangent lines at the crossing are y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 3. Part 2. Counting menu options for Suri's incredible ice cream. We will compute total B under these assumptions. The order of scoops does not matter, and you are allowed to choose the same flavor twice in a double scoop. Recall from total A that the number of flavors is 10 and the number of cones is 4. We will restate those, then count single scoops and double scoops under the new assumptions. Here is a flavor palette just to visualize: 10 flavors and 4 cone types. We will now count the choices. Single scoop choices are straightforward. Flavor times cone equals 10 times 4, which is 40 options. Now, for double scoops under total B. The order of scoops does not matter, and you may repeat a flavor. That is combinations with repetition. The number of flavor pairs is choose 2 from 10 with repetition, which is the binomial of 11 over 2, equal to 55. Each flavor pair can use any of the 4 cones, giving 220 double scoop options. Finally, add singles and doubles to get total B. 40 plus 220 equals 260 total options. Assumptions for total B. The order of scoops does not matter, and repetition is allowed. That is why we used combinations with repetition for the double scoop count. Summary. For the parametric curve, the two tangent lines at the crossing point are y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 3. For Suri's menu under total B assumptions, there are 260 total options. Great work!